have seen the cost. And now let me give you some details into this concept of global mobility. There is a famous investor who is also very rich called Warren Buffett. On this left-hand side, you see the GDP per capita for people all the way from Bangladesh to Luxembourg. Now, he once said that, imagine that there are two babies, and one is born in Bangladesh, and the other one is born in the United States. The one born in the United States won the lottery. He was referring not necessarily to the GDP per capita, but also to all the other opportunities that the baby born in the United States will have. Imagine a very tall tower. Let's pick the Burj Khalifa in Dubai. It's a beautiful building. You should go for coffee. It's very inexpensive, and that way, you get to have a real good view. So the Burj Khalifa has 163 stories. And imagine that we were to plaque everyone born anywhere in the world in a different floor, according to the GDP per capita at birth. So if you were born in Peru, you will be on the 8th floor. You'll be making, say, $1,000 per month. Now remember, there are 119 other countries below this level, and they will be on these different floors. The beauty of this example is that in real life, actually, there are people from all over the world living in the Burj Khalifa, and typically the ones who have more money or more wealthy live on the top floors. Now, let's then go to someone born in the United States, to what Warren Buffett is saying. And yeah, then that person would have been born on the 37th floor. Now, if you were born in Spain, you'll be on the 24th floor. But the beauty of maybe getting an education in Spain is that then, because you are in the European Union, you have access to Luxembourg, which, remember, is one of the richest countries in the world, and also to Liechtenstein and smaller other countries. So the point is that by getting an education, you are able to sort of take the elevator and have access to more opportunities around the world. Here you also have the GDP per capita for Switzerland at birth, Hong Kong, China, and different countries in Latin America. When we look at real life, as I like to see it, what we see is that about 1/2 of the CEOs of Fortune 500 companies were born abroad. I mean, if we pick one of the founders of Google, he was born in Russia, and he first went to the University of Maryland. The CEO of Tesla was born in South Africa. The CEO of Microsoft was born in India. What they have in common is that they were born abroad, they got an education in other countries, and they didn't necessarily go to an Ivy League university. So we look at the global benefits in addition to the cost and how much more money will we make. Now, someone may say, yeah, okay, fine, but should I start a master's now? Let me show you some details.